California king snake. What is this day?
We're filming each other.
Right. They might be holding it. Who needs a fire pit when it's 100 degrees out? Can you imagine if people actually lived in here?
That's where I would sleep, right there.
Yeah, I mean, that's a solid view. A nice Jeep down there, got some tourists. I wonder what their backyard looks like. I also wonder how I'm going to do this. Now explain to me this. These people built their house out of this sandstone, right? Yet they have newly remodeled roofs. Now that just don't make sense. But since we're here, might as well check out some of these little holes, like right up in here, because sidewinders, other little rattlesnakes love to get in there because it gives them a little retreat from heat. Day. Anybody home? Ooh, that goes back in there. Nope.
Nothing, huh?
Nothing, but look at that. Unreal. Unreal. Sun is starting to dip down, so I think we're gonna do try to hit this road. See if we can get anybody crossing it. Hopefully.
I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah,
What?
you can see it.
What?
Look at the hieroglyphs.
Oh wow. Holy crap.
That's cool.
It's insane.
Sidewinder.
I mean, look, that's a coil right there on that one. And then right below it, it looks like a rattle. And then if you look to the right, there's that squiggly one that's kind of wide, and then it gets real thin, and it's wide again.
And there's a cross.
What?
Or, I don't know. Hey, that's a ram.
It's a ram. Yeah, it is. Huh? Well, maybe they're letting us know that sidewinders are here.
If y'all can make out any more shapes,
Let us know in the comments.
let us know in the comments. And if you haven't already, like and subscribe.
Wow.
Okay.
I don't even know what to say, really. I was just gonna get some pictures of it. This is incredible. I mean, all that. Is the headlights coming up? perfect little hiding spots. You gotta be careful though, it's a little treacherous, but perfect little pockets for specs. Kind of that out. Or Pama, one of the two. Not really sure how stable this is. This one looks real nice. Not seeing anything on it though. We can check over here. Wow. That is a drop. Dude, I got over the thing. Look at that. Yeah, you don't want to fall down there. That hurt. That's beautiful. Look. Oh. Oh my God. Anyway, if I was a rattlesnake, this is where I'd be. Wow. They honking their horn? Well, fire. I love you. You're beautiful. But your rules and regulations, garbage. I mean, how do you expect anybody to really appreciate and experience this craziness? I mean, if they can't even go off trail even a little bit, it just doesn't make sense to me. But I'm not gonna let it get to me. Valley Fire still I would definitely highly recommend. Everybody's seen it at least once. It's actually kind of mainly see it driving through your car. But anyway, we got this stretch of road, getting ready to change pavement, like the colors. So that's what she said we could do after that. We could look for snakes. And that's exactly what we're gonna do now. I know I've said that like a few times, but it's actually gonna happen now. It's perfect. I mean, look at that sunset. That's a snake finding sunset right there. I know what that means. You just saw crossing the road. Looks like a bark scorpion. I don't know, it might not be. It's really hard to tell. They have little tiny claws. It's the biggest scorpion we've found so far. He is super cool. I want to pick him up, but I don't know. Should I?